Next, we are going to wash our sorrel thoroughly. We're also going to wash our ginger. Then we're going to beat the ginger. I used the rum bottle. You can use whatever works best for you. In a pot of hot water, we're going to add our ginger, cinnamon stick, pimento seeds, cloves. You can also add bay leaves and other spices if you like, but that's just what I had at the moment. So now that that's boiled up, we're going to throw our hot liquid onto the sorrel. So the goal is to cover the sorrel with the flavored liquid just enough, not too much, because you want to get that strong sorrel flavor. So my next step is to add some regular white rice to help preserve the sorrel drink. Now this is optional when you're using alcohol in your sorrel drink, and also you can put the rice after you have sweetened and strained the sorrel. So with that said, my next step is to strain the sorrel, and let me tell you, this is going to be good. I'm adding my sugar now. It depends on the amount of sorrel you are making. The amount of sugar will vary, and I don't really love sweet drinks, so that's the amount I'm using. There you can see I added some white rum and I added some more because I felt like it. Also, I'm going to add some red label wine to it. Yeah, that should be enough. I have no set measurements for these. I just do what my mind tells me, or the alcoholic side of me, I guess. Now we're just gonna mix and give it one more strain through a finer strainer, and voila. All that's left to do is enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was fun for me. Until next time.